So I got through the post today. You see by the previous photos it was quite rusty. It didn't work too well, to be honest. I've only just started. It obviously needs quite a bit of work still to be done. I only bought this because I quite liked how it worked. As you can see, it's adjustable in the way that you put it, the lever back, and it loosens it, and then when you hold the handle tight, it then shuts the jaw on whatever you're trying to wrench at. It works quite well now. Still need, as I said, it still needs a bit of work. I still need to clean out the rest of these teeth or grooves, and then somehow get into there. It is a Wakefield wrench Workmaster, and this is the number 2A version.